Hey, Justin here with Sinnard Technologies, and if you're looking for a mobile app developer out of Little Chute, Wisconsin, you found the right video. Once again, Justin here with Sinnard Technologies. I operate out of Oshkosh, Wisconsin, serving the area, including the Fox Valley and Little Chute. Um, what does a mobile app developer actually do? Well, we make mobile applications for clients, businesses, and consumers as a whole. And why should you work with me? I offer way lower cost than other agencies because I'm a smaller agency. So I have less overhead, so I can offer lower prices than the bigger agencies. I have to take ownership and accountability with the projects. If you were to offshore to say somewhere in Asia, you never know what could happen. I've heard horror stories of, say, like they hire someone out of Asia, they had a contract, and then they get in an argument over the contract of the app. They just stop talking to you and never return your money, and you're kind of left high and dry because you know, I mean, you could technically go after that money, but you're going to have to hire thousands of dollars of lawyers to do offshore lawsuits, and it becomes a big hassle. So one of the good things about working with someone local is we have accountability and ownership with the project, right? Another bonus of working with me is I'm a bit more flexible in my scope. If we need an extra week, we can take an extra week, or maybe you're going to be on vacation. I can account for that. So I'm a bit more accountable on my schedules if you work with me. Um, you're also going to get production ready code. Essentially, you're going to be able to get a project going from concept to completion in the store with very minimal problems, right? Um, it's not going to be a prototype. A lot of times you see prices for jobs, those are prototype prices which have a lot of bugs in them. They're not fully functional, they're not handling errors. So you get production ready code when you work with me. You also get dedicated cloud infrastructure. I work within Azure. Some of the largest enterprises in the world use the same infrastructure you're going to be working in. So you get top notch hardware. You also get ongoing support with me. I generally will reply to you within 24 to 48 hours, depending on your contract with me. So if you do have issues where you find a bug, we can get in there and fix it. Or if you want something added, depending on your support plan, you get discounted rates. So ongoing support will always be there. You'll always be able to reach out to me. And the beauty of that is, if you work with someone local, is I'm in the same time zone as you, right? So I'm working 9 to 5, you're working 9 to 5. So we get emails back and forth a lot easier. Communication over the phone's a lot easier. If we got to schedule a little meeting, it's way easier when you work with someone local as opposed to someone that's offshores who might be working at nighttime while you're sleeping. And then you have to wait for that communication window sometimes with the 24 to 48 hours in between there. Whereas when we're building, we can have much more communication, much faster communication between each other. But yeah, if you're thinking about getting a mobile app made and you're in Little Chute, Wisconsin, maybe you're not ready yet, just like and subscribe to my YouTube. If you're watching this on Facebook, please just follow my page. If you're ready to get an app made, I'll have in the description a link to my website. Just go ahead and contact me. Let me know what you're looking to have made, and we can work together. Otherwise, you all have a good day. Thanks for watching.